Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Naeem Shahzad and you are watching REC World YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you practical procedure of replacing old condenser of water dispenser with new one. This is Orient water dispenser and its condenser has gone leaked. I am also trying to show you by zooming it so you can also easily watch that it has got too much rusty and also has gone leaked. And I also want to tell you that in this condition your condenser is not able to stay connected more with your dispenser because here it is too much damaged and now it has gone leaked, and the refrigerant will leak from here if we don't remove it. I have already cut down this condenser from this internal condenser, and internal condenser is in a better condition because the internal condenser is copper condenser, and I am also showing you that you can also watch that this magnet is connecting this iron condenser, and it is connecting because it is made with iron and so it has gone rusty. But this internal condenser is not of iron, it is made with copper, so the magnet is not connecting with copper condenser. So no need to replace this internal copper condenser, and I have already attested its leakage by dead it and fill nitrogen pressure into internal condenser. So we have needed replacing only external condenser by this new one condenser. So don't skip this video and watch till to end. It is very important video for you. Okay, now I am putting it here and I am going to attach this condenser on the back side of your water dispenser. And after connecting this new one condenser as a external condenser, now our refrigerant of dispenser will not leak from condenser. Now you can see on your screen that I have removed color from this tube, and now I will insert this tube into this tube and I will brazing them. This is end side of condenser. You can see this tube is end side of condenser, and here I will connect 2 inches copper pipe for a dryer installation. Now I will insert this 1/4 tube on 316 tube, okay? And later I will also brazing these 2 tubes. And here is a request to you that if you like my videos, kindly must give it one like on my videos because your likes provide me courage for making more videos for you. So don't forget to like my videos if you like it. Brazing has completed for a dryer installation. Now I will set its position so I can connect external condenser with internal condenser. Now I will insert this tube into internal condenser tube. I will insert it at least ½ inch into this tube, and I will brazing these 2 tubes by using brass rod and powder flux. I will use a brass rod for brazing because these 2 tubes are different. One of them is iron tube and second of them is copper tube. So I will use a brass rod for brazing. Finally, the brazing of condenser connecting has completed. Now our external condenser has connected with internal condenser. You can also slide it right and left for fixing its screws. And here you can connect its dryer on the end side of condenser tube, and the other side of dryer you will connect this capillary tube. But I am not going to show you dryer installation because this video was replacing external condenser. So I will fix this condenser by using two screws, one on left side and second on the right side. I will tighten this screw well so it cannot be vibrate during operation, and now I will also fix this second screw. And in this way you can easily replace your water dispenser old condenser with a new one by watching this video step by step. Hope you will enjoy this video. If you like this video, give it one like please. Also share with your other friends and make sure to subscribe REC World YouTube channel for getting more related videos on exact time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.